I just started a Ko-Fi page. It's ko-fi.com/miniaturegold. Feel free to donate whatever amount you are comfortable with. And I really appreciate that. Hey, this is Miniature Gold. This is a Mix It Up tutorial on how to add music to your hype trains, as well as how to change the song for each hype train level, if you have a song ready for that hype train level. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me on Twitch about Mix It Up, gaming, life, or whatever else, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. So first, what version am I on? I am on version 1.2.0.10. And yeah, so the reason why we're doing this is because it adds hype. It adds hype if you have music that like gets people excited about your hype train. And actually, I'm gonna give you a little demo. I actually recorded when my hype train happened because it was a test of whether it would work or not, and it does. So let me show you that right now.
Go ahead, make me dance.
Hell yeah, we got the music! We got the music! We got the music! We got the music! Yeah! We got the music! This is the hype music! This is the hype music! This is the hype train music! Let's go! We got it! We got it!
Celtic Frost 70 felt like showing some love and they gifted a sub. Much thanks.
Yes! Give me your emotes. I mean, share your emotes. You don't have to. I won't keep your emotes, but give me your emotes. Okay, so that's level 1. I'm gonna go look for level 2. I'll be right back. Okay, level 2 is coming up next.
Cheer 100.
Oh, just missed it.
Sheesh, talk about a life or death situation.
Oh, level 2!
Reminds me of that one time I got the death note.
Did we get to level 2? This isn't level 2. This is not level 2. It is level 2. Oh shit, it's level 2. It's level 2. Celtic, you clutched it. Celtic, you clutched it.
What?
This is level 2. Level 2. Level 2. Level 2.
Nice. You perfected a parlor trick.
Okay, this is the level 2 music. This is level 2 music. Sick! 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 What am I doing here? I'm selling stuff. Okay, so there's level 2, and then I'll show you level 3. Okay, level 3 is coming up next. Oh my god! Whoa!
Nicked and 7 got their credit card hacked and Minister Gold was the lucky benefactor. Thank you for being careless with your finances with those
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Can't see. Yoda can't see.
Okay. Okay, we're now at level 3, and I have no more. Oh. Okay, let's. Okay, I do have a plan for level 4, but it basically just plays the same music that's playing right now. But so that's an example. So yeah, each time it goes to the next level in the hype train, it plays the next song. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, let's go back to Mix It Up. Okay, so first of all, I hope you have some sort of editor, because what I did is I got an extended version of the song that I wanted, and then I cut it down to 5 minutes and 10 seconds. The reason why I cut it down to 5 minutes and 10 seconds is because each level in a hype train lasts for 5 minutes, and so for the last 10 seconds of that song, I have it set to fade out. And I'm doing that with a video editor, but then I export it as an MP3 file. And the video editor that I'm using is Movavi. If you have your own video editor, use that because Movavi costs money. But yeah, that's what I use. And that's how I set up my music for each level. 5 minutes and 10 seconds, fade it out for the last 10 seconds. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to add music to each level of your hype train. Okay, let's go to events. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to hype train started, the Twitch event. And then what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm not going to go over the warning, the hype train approaching, and Brian. That's not a part of this tutorial. We're going to focus on the sound aspect. So I have Rainwave, which is a browser source. So I make sure to turn that off with my command. And then click on the drop down for action, look for sound, hit the plus sign to add it, and then set this to stop all sounds. Okay. And you'll add the sound action again, but this time set it to play a sound. And I set mine to 30%. The reason why I do that is because if you look at my OBS, when I talk, it's in the red, like the red and yellow. And so I set this to 30% so that it'll be green for the song. So I want you to pay attention to the audio output capture when I play the song. So you see how it stays in the green? So that way when it plays, you can still hear me talking while it's playing. Okay, so that's how we get set up for level 1. Now level 2, 3, and 4 and beyond will be a little bit different. So let me show you how to do that. Let me move OBS out of the way. Let me close this. Okay, next within the Twitch section of events, we're going to go click on Twitch channel hype train level up. Initially, I tried to set up level 1 in here, and that doesn't work, so don't do that. I have 3 conditionals for each level, 1 for each level. So click on the drop down here, look for conditional, press the plus sign, and your value is going to be $ hype train level equals 2 for level 2 of your hype train. Under this condition, click on the drop down, click on chat message, hit the plus sign. I just say chat leveled up the hype train to level hype train level. So it'll say like chat leveled up the hype train to level 2 instead of just chat leveled up the hype train to 2. But yeah, whatever you want to put for this, you can do that. Again, just like in the hype train started event, I'm turning off Rainwave, and then I'm stopping sounds via click on the drop down, look for sound, hit the plus sign, and stop all sounds. And then again, we want sound, and this time we play sound. And so this is what they hear for my level 2. And again, it's at 30% so that it stays in the green in the audio output capture. Okay, and now basically level 3 and 4 will be pretty much the same. Level 4 will be a little bit different, so I'll show you that. Also, these don't work with the almost on screen and for like bits and subs. I did it a different way, and I will go through that in another video. So for hype train level 3, you're just setting this to 3, and you're changing the hype song. So what I'd recommend you do is after you make this for level 2, click on export actions to file and save it, so that when you come into level 3, you can just go import from file and just change the song for whatever level you're on. Okay. I'm not gonna play the song. I think you get the idea. I'll show you level 4 next. Now, for level 4, because this is my last level, what I do is I set this to greater than or equal to 4. But if they go to level 5, it'll just play the same song. Also, what I recommend you do is keep track of what's the highest level you've reached for a hype train, so that you can. It'd be cool if you have a different song for each like level, and you also give your viewers something to look forward to. Like, oh, like last time we got to like level 8, and that was our highest one. I wonder what they'll give us for the like level 8 song. So you keep them wondering about, you know, what the next song is going to be. Okay, and that is pretty much the video. That is how you set up music for every level of your hype train. And next, what I'll go over is how to show emotes on screen during a hype train for bits and subs. And again, if you want this command, I will leave it in my Ko-Fi. This is actually a pretty small command. I won't actually make this $3. I'll make it like $1, but I'll scale it. I'll make it scalable. If you want to pay more, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But yeah, I'll include this command in my Ko-Fi. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe so that you can see more videos like these. And if you'd like to talk with me on Twitch, about Twitch, gaming, Mix It Up, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold, and thank you for watching. All right, see ya.